Hi, Kiana here with PMP Crafters. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about this new design that I've come up with, as well as a few others. I am going to go ahead and show you how to assemble the foldable treat cards. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have the printouts right here. And you want to make sure that you have your back ones done first. So we're going to use the corner, and just remember that your right is going to be your front and the left is going to be the back. So that means that we're going to put this one here. That is that side. Now we want to put our back on here, and we want to line it up with the bottom, of course, and we're going to bring this as close as possible together, but leaving a small space for us to cut. Now it looks like for some reason this is not completely even, which is all right. We're gonna make it do what it do. Okay, now that we have both sides done, we are now going to cut this out. Okay, so now that we have this cut out like this, we are going to now take our ruler, measure right through the middle, hold down, and we're going to cut, but we're not going to cut all the way through because we want this to be able to fold without breaking. All right, so now that we have that, we're ready to put our inside in. So we know that this is our front, and so we want to make sure that when we open it up, that we have our page that is going to have the actual favors or things on this side, and then our other piece is going to be on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and apply those now. Now I am going to cut this portion out so that way when we get ready to put our favors on the other side, it can come through. And I have it this way because this is going to be the neatest portion since it's the outside. I want to make sure that I'm going to press all the way down and follow the dotted line. Let's get our ruler to make sure that things are straight. I was about to go and I'm like, wait a minute, no, I am forgetting something. My ruler. Okay, so the last step is to put our treats or party favors that we're giving the person inside here. So what I've decided to do is, of course, fill this to my liking, put some tissue paper, and then I'm just gonna lay it in the cutout. Then I'm going to glue around here and lift and close this. I am going to look as I'm doing this to make sure that it is aligned up, but to me this has been the easiest, quickest way to do this, to make sure that it attaches well.